Good morning, everyone. I hope that you guys are having a good day. So I'm filming again, or I'm vlogging again. I'm super excited, and I'm going to be filming a Get Ready With Me today, which I'm also excited about because it's a collab with a company, Langria. It's one of their like fancy mirror light up vanity mirrors, so I'm super excited about that. I'm actually gonna unbox it with you guys on here, and yeah, so I'm super excited. I've been messing around for like the past half hour with this camera to see if the quality is getting better, because some of my vlogs, the clips that I posted with this, like, or that I filmed with this, was like really bad, and then so I was trying different settings, so hopefully this works. I'm gonna test it out a little bit more, but before they were so grainy. It was so bad. But yeah, so I'm gonna start getting ready. I have my glasses on, I'm gonna put my contacts on, and then I'm going to start filming. But yeah, so but I have some stuff to do before that. I'm mumbling so much. And here's Michael. Do you see birds, bud? Look at that tail. So silly. Hi, love. What are you doing? You're so silly. Look at that face. My baby boy. So now we're going to get into the box from Langria, which is that mirror that I was talking about with you guys. I got the white one. Let's see. Yes. Focus. What are you doing? Don't mind my boxes. I've been organizing my room. What are you doing, sweetheart? So silly. Okay, none of that. Oh, so silly. Anyway. Alright, so here are the pieces and instructions. It comes with like this little suction cup mirror. Alright, so we're gonna build this thing. It shouldn't be too hard. I mean, come on. It's not like an IKEA bed with like the drawers underneath the bed. That was a little bit hard. Okay. Okay, so here is the mirror. It looks really cool, especially in person. It's not really like doing it justice on here. And then it has this little mirror which you can suction cup here, but I don't really feel like doing that. I just like the mirror as is, but this is supposed to give you an even closer view if you wanted to do that. So maybe I'll go for this, but for now I'm going to keep it on the side. But yeah, so this is what I'll be filming with today. Alright, so I'm going to do my nails. I'm going to be using Juicy Papaya, which is what I have on my toenails. And then I think I'm going to do an accent nail with glitter. I had to get creative with my filming setup because I needed the vanity mirror to be up high enough. I wanted somewhat of a good background for you guys because I don't have it as good as I used to have it in my one apartment in Pittsburgh. But I'm working on it. But yeah, oh my god, I did my nails. I need to do like the pinky finger or the ring finger, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do it now. I just want to get started. But yeah, here's the setup. So I just put the mirror here and I stacked it on books because this table wasn't high enough. So I did that, and then we have the camera set up. I have all of my makeup. I had to move Mikey's litter box because I'm like, watch me drop my makeup in it. That'd be so bad. And then where's my Michael? Hi. You sleeping good, bud? Right outside of the tunnel. So we have that, and I'm going for a pink look today just because I really like pink, and I don't want to do something simple. I want to do like hot pink mixed with baby pink. So So, where is my brush? We're going to use this Wet n Wild brush, and it's like the fluffy crease, and I'm going to dip it into this hot pink eyeshadow. Just really pretty. But, oh yeah, I'm like doing a get ready with me video, and I'm like, not sure what I'm going to talk about. I'm getting the urge to do blue. It's risky. I'm doing it. Whoops. Alright, so I just got done filming my Get Ready With Me video. I posted on Snapchat, I posted on Instagram. I'll show you guys a little bit of that. But I'm going to let my camera charge, export some videos, and then I'm going to try to do some of my opening shots for the trailer, and then just kind of start editing the rest of the day, job searching, all that kind of stuff. I'm trying to get this kind of stuff out of the way first, so yeah. Guys, I am ready to film a Get Ready With Me video, and I am using this mirror from Langria, which is so cool. I'm super excited, so I got my whole filming setup going. Guys, so I just got done filming my Get Ready With Me video, which is also a first impressions video, using this Langria mirror and then some products from Wet n Wild, Duo, Ardell, and e.l.f. Getting really excited to relaunch my channel. I've been filming some videos for you guys. I'm going to be working on a trailer, and yeah, so I'm putting that all together while I finish up putting up videos that I filmed like from forever ago. It's going to be good. I'm so excited. You did see on the previous post, I'm going to put on this post as well, it does say Lexi. Moving forward, I want to go by the nickname Lexi. I will talk about it more in a future video. I already filmed it. It's about why I decided to change my nickname. I'm going to be updating my social media just to reflect that, so that's why that's happening. But yeah, so I have a video on why I decided to do that moving forward, and then I also have a nails tutorial, an everyday makeup tutorial, and so much stuff. I'm in the middle of filming my channel trailer shots. I'm having so much fun. I'm so excited for my relaunch. It's going to be amazing. Super excited. I'm so glad I went with this outfit too. It's super cute, and with the trailer I did like close up of my face, then like a little bit further down, and then the full view, so I'm so excited. So I just have a little update for you. So the previous post you saw, it said Lexi. So moving forward, I'm going to be going by the nickname Lexi and no longer going by Alex, so make sure to call me Lexi. I have a video coming up soon on Beauty Addicts next. We'll be relaunching my is my outfit for today. It's a romper. Actually, it looks like a dress. It's super cute. Hi, Bella. What are you doing? Are you being silly? Alright, okay. I think I may film a little bit more for the trailer, but I gotta stop to get some lunch. And then edit and job search and do all that stuff. I want to get this, like, I gotta get out of this romper. So once I'm done with the romper stuff and filming, then I'll move on with everything else. Yeah. Buddy, why are you laying on that? There's other parts of the bed. Why on that? I don't understand you. Alright, we are going to get back to our regularly scheduled programming, which, if you guys know me well, you'll know. Alright, it's coming. The Bachelorette! I have rewatched every episode at least 3 times, and that includes like the latest one, probably this one, the first one. I probably watched like 10 times. Now I don't watch it completely, I kind of just let it play in the background, but still. If Mikey wasn't eating, he'd so be judging me right now.
And just a sense of ease with you, and look at can do myself. It also and it just restores so much hope. And so it's like,
And here is the makeup that I'm wearing today. That was part of my Get Ready With Me video. Except for this last lipstick, I ended up putting that on later in the day after lunch. Just decided to switch the lip up. But yeah, so some new products that I'm doing the first impressions on. Super excited. Look at that face! Oh, what are you doing, my love? Hi. I want to show everybody my mess. I'm still organizing this stuff. I have like winter clothes in boxes. I have some selling on Poshmark and other crap. Some crap that goes underneath the bed. Then I made him this little thing over here, and he never uses it. And there's like a hanging mouse inside of it. See? He doesn't like it though. He doesn't care. You don't care. You don't care about Mommy's fort that I built for you. Why? You're so silly. You're so silly. Look at that face. Look at that face. Such a good boy. Boys are loud. Okay. Damn it. Alright, struggling. Hardcore here. It's fine. Just needs a little dusting off. Okay.
Go.
Hi. Who said he can come in? Oh! You're always allowed in, bud. Always, unless you're gonna scream. No, you're always allowed in. So silly. I got some good Mikey shots for the vlog.
Who said he was allowed in? Ooh.
He's always allowed in. So silly. My little love.
So cute.
Look at your little face. I see it. There it is. Alright, since I'm going to pay attention, I'm going to put How to Get Away with Murder back on because I'm catching up on that on Netflix, the latest season. I don't know what it's loading right now. I didn't mean to press it. Oh, here we go. I want to watch this movie, but I keep forgetting. I don't feel like watching it now.
Oh, Mikey.
Alright, Aaron.
Sup? Thank you.
I was in the middle of something.
I'm sorry to interrupt your middleness.
Alright, just gonna put on How to Get Away with Murder. Bam. Oh, and this one has Olivia Pope in it from Scandal. So epic. Okay, so it's a nice day outside, so I figured I would go for a walk. Alright, I am on my walk. It is 80 degrees, so I'm a bit hot. So I'm making this a short one because, well, but yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm knowing this is super exciting, but at least I'm like outside because I've been like vlogging in my bedroom the entire day. So you get to see some nature, which guys, it's so awesome now that I have contacts and glasses that are not 10 years old, that are up to date, because I see everything so much more clear. Like all of the leaves look so crisp, and it's like, I didn't realize that I wasn't seeing them properly before. Like I can tell with like words before if they were like blurry, but not trees. So now I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so nice to finally actually be able to see them. Gosh, now these cars pass by me probably think I'm nuts because I'm in like the middle of nowhere. At least like in Pittsburgh it was city-like, so it wasn't as weird, but I feel like it's probably like even weirder here. Yep. I don't know, but I don't care. That's kind of like my new motto, like I don't care as far as like what people think. I'm just gonna be myself. So even though I'm feeling a little awkward, just gotta get used to it, I guess. But this day and age though, I feel like everyone is so like absorbed with themselves. Like everyone is on social media and, you know, posting selfies, boomerangs of themselves, like talking about themselves. So I feel like it's just like our generation and like a millennial thing to always be like on your phone taking videos and pictures and stuff. So I feel like in like, I don't know, like my children, it'll just be like phones everywhere all the time, like even worse than now, but it won't be like awkward or weird at all. I swear, like Amanda Ansing was like talking in one of her videos or on Snapchat or something about how like when she moved to Los Angeles, everyone at like this coffee shop, like every single person was just taking photos of their coffee or their muffin or whatever. I feel like probably how condensed it is in LA with everyone, you know, taking Instagram photos is probably gonna spread elsewhere, but hopefully you guys know what I mean, because I know that phones are like already a big deal, but they're gonna be even bigger deal. All right, I'm gonna get off my phone. Alright guys, I am just going to end the vlog here, so thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Click that little bell so that you're notified when my videos have been posted. Like this video if you did like it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!